Namaste. Welcome back to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to talk about these kind of videos. So these are basically, I could say, your vector animations. These small videos can attract your audience attention so easily. So before going to start, I would like to play my intro. I'd like to tell you something about myself first. My name is Anshuman and by profession I am a software developer, also a travel enthusiast. So I created this channel a year back to share my travel stories with you guys. So if you like my channel, please click that subscribe icon. Also press that bell icon so that you'll be notified in future. Let's analyze one of them. So these kind of videos are basically different layers. So as you can see, 4 different layers I have used to create this video. First one is just background layer and the other 3 are the moving layers. So these files are basically your vector files. So you could find it anywhere. You could Google it and go ahead and Google free vectors and you could easily find as many vectors as you want. So I got these vector files from different sources. So your background layer will always be stand still and your other layers will move like this. In this particular way, we have created this movement and we have created this clip. So let's jump into Adobe Illustrator directly.
Okay, all these files you could easily download from the link in the description. Also, please visit my website and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. So here we have this particular vector file, which is the final one, and the other files which I used to create that final one in that particular folder. So let's go to Illustrator. I have already imported all these files. From this file I took the bus and its shadow, also your cloud layer. From here I took that flag one, and from the last I took that particular background. So here is my final file. As you can see, there are 5 different layers. It could have been a single layer, but it will be difficult for After Effects to understand and differentiate between the images. That's why we need to create 5 different layers. I have a bus layer, I have a cloud layer, I have road lines, I have the final background layer. Also, you have to make sure that all these layers should appear in this particular rectangle, because if we put a single layer like this and go import it in the After Effects, so the last part of the bus will only appear there and the rest will be blank. So you need to make sure that all your layers should be in this final rectangle. So let's go to After Effects. So I have already imported that file to After Effects. So let's redo it. You just need to drag it and drop it to your After Effects, and it will ask for import kind. You have to choose its composition, and your footage dimension will be your document size. So you have to press OK. It will be imported. Here we have it. So you just need to drag it and drop it to your final composition. So here we got all these layers in After Effects composition, and for each layer we have this transform option where we can change our position, your scale, your opacity, also make it 3D, anything we can do with each layer, right? So how I have done it, let's go to the final composition. So here is the final composition. So first of all, what I have done, I duplicated the road line layer to 5 different layers because I need to move the road lines from your right side to your left, and I need 5 different layers because I have a 8-second clip. So you may need more than that. So accordingly you have to do that. Let me show you a single one. Here you can see there is a toggle animation in the position layer, and the second one after 1 second. So like that, for each road line we have that similar kind of animation, and by doing that we are creating a moving like road structure, right? Similarly for the clouds, what I have done, I have used 2 type of animation. One is your position, another one is your scale. So as you can see, the cloud is moving as well as it's magnifying itself. So like that, we have also the buses which use the position animation from your left side to your right. So in this particular way you can create this animation. Hope you guys like it. Also, if you have any doubt, you could comment me and I will definitely reply you back.
Thank you for staying so long. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. Also, you could follow me in Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID.